Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC, how y'all doing? Out here at the Avon Park Air Remodelers Club, and you'll never guess what this plane is. Unless you've been living underneath the rock or you have no idea about RC planes, this is a DRACO. Considered the most, or the best, STOL, short takeoff and landing aircraft ever created, both in real life and in the RC world. This is an absolute scale down version of the real plane, flown by Mike Patey, the creator. I may be pronouncing his last name wrong. I'm sorry, Mike, if I am, but this is a recreation of a Wilga 2000 that's been heavily modified to create the plane DRACO that unfortunately a few years back he had a bad crash and lost DRACO. And luckily him and his wife and his best friend were not terribly injured. I think one hurt their arm. But anyways, let's take DRACO up, this version of DRACO. And she's heavy. She's a big 6S bird. You can run her on a big 4S like a 5000 with no change in proper ESC. You just put the 4000 and she'll do fine. She won't fly as fast or have much power, but she'll still fly fine. I'm running a 6S though, a 5000 3S Smart Pack. And yeah, it doesn't matter about the terrain. She'll fly and land and fly off of almost anything. So them great big tires with working suspension. Even the tail has suspension. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. And one thing she's got braking. Let's get her right here. Now you can see I got my control surface set for maximum deflection. My rates are, for maximum, high rates are 100% throws over 10% expo. My medium or mid rates are 70% throws over 8% expo. And then low is 50% throws over 5% expo. But I prefer high rates. And here we go. Oh yeah, let me get my lights turned on. I forgot. All right, she's got, I could even tell you how many sets of lights. I want to say 10 different sets of lights on her. But she's got a lot of lights. But it's so bright right now, you're not going to be able to really see them. All right. Let me go stand beside, I'm going to cross over here. Stand beside my wonderful camera crew lady. And we're going to take off. Even though DRACO is a big, heavy RC plane, she flies so light. Very light wing loading, even though she's a heavy bird. Very easy plane to fly. Okay, we're going to take her up and turn her. I'm going to go back around this way.
Landing flaps. Time remaining.
We'll put the flaps in. We're going to land, hopefully right here on the runway. And we're going to land on the grass. And take off again. I'm going to take her up. All right. I mean, she'll do certain mild aerobatics, but that's not really her forte.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
A little bit of a knife edge there.
Landing flaps.
Alright, we're going to get her turned around. I gotta get a better landing than that.
4 minutes.
Gotta get a better landing than that, folks. Alright, we're gonna get turned around here.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
There we go. That was much, much better. Took the flaps up the last minute. Alright, what we're going to do is I'm going to bring her back in here closer to us on the runway. Maybe. As you can see, the terrain is very rough. Alright. I'm going to drop them flaps down to 100% down, or full STOL, and we're going to goose it and take off. Here we go. You can see how quickly she took off. All right. All right, let's just have a little bit of fun with her now.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
She could be a touch and go machine for sure. All right. I'm going to take her up. I'm going to turn her. All right. Pass, pass. Into the wind. Full speed with the wind there. I mean, she can have a decent
landing flaps.
She can have a decent rate of climb and a decent speed, but speed and agility like that are not her forte. This is a plane that's designed to go in the backwoods, backcountry, land in rough terrain, deliver people, cargo, rescue, and just whatever needs to be done regardless of the terrain. All right, we're going to do another STOL takeoff. Takeoff flaps, full elevator. And what was that? 8 feet, 6 feet, something like that? All right.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes. Flaps up.
All right. We're going to come right back at us here. We're going to curve away towards the right. I'm going to do that again so my camera crew can anticipate it. But I didn't give her much warning. We're going to come right at us again. All right. We're going to bring her in and land her now. All right, folks, that is DRACO, an amazing airplane that can do some just amazing presence in the air, a lot of fun to fly, just an all-around great craft. And you know what? I got 1 minute and 16 seconds, so you know what that means? I got to go up one more time. I got to go up one more time. You know I had to. I'll land her in the grass this time.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Oh. I hit the accelerator by accident. I didn't mean to do that. Okay.
Landing flaps.
I'm done now. Not my best landings with DRACO, but I haven't flown her in, well, no excuse, but.
Flaps up. Brakes on.
Folks,
Motor off.
thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That's DRACO. Absolute blast to fly. And on the smart technology, I still got a quarter of a battery left. So after flying for a full 6 minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Are you happy? You're a happy bird. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them planes. Bye, y'all.